and you can see the hinge. This is perfectly settings, and this side also, and this side also. Here is also no problem. You can see it's accurately sitting here. And when you repair this, you just lose the hinge screw, because of this screw going very tight, and that's why the hinge is broken from the body. Today I have a Lenevo Thinkpad T440 laptop, and this laptop problem is hinge is broken from the display part, and you can see here this part is totally broken and come out from the inside, and this side also broken. And this is not only this part, and back side also broken. Today I'll fix this, and hopefully you will enjoy this video. Okay, let's start. First of all, I need to open this body. Just here is some dust in the cooling fan. Clean also. Separate this laptop display from this body. And this one is display connector. Our display is separate from the main body, and now I need to open this display part. And here is one thing, and how I can attach this. Oh my god, this one is very hard, and due to the hardness, this display hinges are broken from the body, and I need to take care of this also. Before setting this, you have to look after this, and this one is setting is perfectly or not. And I think this one is perfectly setting this here, and this is the accurate place for setting this screw holder. Okay, firstly I use some super glue for instant attaching. This one is attached perfectly. Will be accurate mixing, and it will become a white color, and you can see this, and this color is becoming white. Okay, after giving this glue, I will keep this 24 hours for attaching this. And after 24 hours, and you can see this, it's attached very strongly. And after rubbing this, and this is sitting perfectly, and you can see this here, this one is perfectly sitting. Okay, before I setting this, I need to make this easier. and you can see these hinge, this is perfectly settings, and this side also, and this side also. Here is also no problem, you can see it's accurately sitting here. And when you repair this, you just lose the hinge screw, and because of this screw going very tight, and that's why the hinge is broken from the body. And let's turn on the laptop, let's see what happened. Yes, it's working, and Windows is running. Our problem was that our display hinge is broken, and I repaired this perfectly. Okay viewers, thanks for watching.